extra light in your home is always a huge plus. Luxaflex Silhouette Shadings is a classic solution for adding light and privacy. The signature S-Veins combine elegance with a functional and contemporary design that will truly enhance the space. Cleverly engineered, the sheer fabric panels transform harsh sunlight into a gentle, diffused glow to brighten a room. Designed using the latest colour trends, styles and textures, you can choose from a wide range of fabrics and opacities to suit your interior. I selected Silhouette Shadings for this Queensland home because they add a sense of style and functionality as well as privacy, which is always important. Battery powered for ease with Luxaflex PowerView motorisation, you can operate your silhouettes with a simple touch of a button. No matter where you are in the room, you can move your shades to a desired position. Silhouette shadings are incredibly versatile and functional. Whether you're looking to create more style or add more light, they work perfectly in any interior space.